Good morning class 8. This is your part 1 video from data handling. First of all, we learn what is data handling. Whenever a statement of conclusion is made, it is done on the basis of the observed data of information. Just in this chapter, you just organize, about the pie chart, histogram, frequency table. Just we see how we written. Okay, so we begin the chapter from the question number 1. A question number 1, that is, a die was thrown. A die was thrown 20 times. A die was thrown 20 times, and the obtained number were 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 6, 5, 1, 4, 5, 4. Okay. Use tally mark and prepare a frequency distribution for the data. Okay. So first of all, we draw, that is numbers. Write here numbers, tally mark and frequency. Okay. So solution is number, what the, when you throw a die, what the number comes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now use the tally mark. Tally mark means how many times these numbers are come. First number is 1, so you give a tally mark is here. Second number is 5, so here. Then 2, then 6, then 3, then 2, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 4, then 6, then 1, then 3, then 5, then 6, then 5, then 5, then 1 and 4, 5 again comes. That means this is a bunch of 5, that symbol that there is a 5 times 5 is come. Okay, 5. Okay, this include the number is 5. 4, this sign process 5. Okay, 4, last 4. So this is your tally mark. Now 1 comes 3 times, 2 comes 2 times, 3 comes 3 times. Okay, 4 comes 4 times, 5 comes 5 times, and 6 comes 3 times. A die is thrown how many times? 20 times. 3 to 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12, 5, 17, 73, 20. That is, drone is thrown 20 times. The number 1 comes 3 times, 2 comes. This is your tally mark, this is your frequency. Okay, note. Question number 2. Maximum temperature in degree Celsius for 30 days in a city is shown below. That is 21, 25, 15, 16, 18, 24, 23, 18, 20, 27, 28, 34, 37, 39, 26, 18, 33, 32, 31, 30, 36, 39, 39, 37, 36, 37, 25, 21, 16 and 15. Okay, we write all the terms. Now the question, make a group frequency table taking the class interval of 50 to 20, 20 to 25 and so on. So class interval, tally mark and frequency. Okay, so given this is given, you take the tally class interval from 50 to 20, 20 to 25. What the maximum number is? You see 39. So 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and 35 to 40. Clear? Now first one is 21. 21 belongs in this category. Next 25, okay, 15, 16, 18, 24, 23, 18, 20, 27, 28, 30, 28, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, okay, 28, 34, 34, 37, 39, 26, 18, again bunch of 5, 33, 32, 31, 30, 36, 39, again 39, 37, 36, 37, 25, 25, 21, 16, 15. Okay, so start counting. This bunch is 5 and this is 2, 7, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5, this is 5 and 3, 8. So 7, 5, 12, 12, 5, 17, 17, 5, 22, 22 and 8, that is 30. So calculation for 30 days. You see that I am 16, 18, 24, whatever, this is 25. I am not writing here because this is the range of 20 to 25. That means 25 up to 24. This 25 begins from here. So 25 posting here. This is the range 25 to 29 point something. 30 begins from here. So that's why the 30 point is given here. Okay, tell him given is 30 for here. Note. Okay, now term for bar graph, that is question number 5. So in question number 5, a shopkeeper sold the following items with their respective quantities. So watch is given 20 units, microphone equals to 30 units, television equals to 15 units, mobile phone equals to 35 units. The question is represent the sale of each item, that these items are sold. Watch 20 units, microphone is 30 units, television is 15 units and mobile is 35 units. Represent all the items in a bar graph. So first of all we draw the y-axis. I am just roughly drawing, we draw with the help of scale. This is your x-axis, denote this is y-axis, this is origin, this is x-axis. Okay, so now first of all write the terms of the name of the product that sold. So here is we write in gapping of 1 centimeter. Okay, you measure from the scale with the help of scale. That is first one is watches, next one is microphone, then television, then mobile. Okay, enough. Here written that products. Now here we mention the unit, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, because highest is 35 is given. Okay, here the units. Okay, first of all write the here that in x-axis, this is our x-axis, in x-axis one product equals to 1 centimeter gapping. Okay, and in y-axis one unit, sorry, 1 centimeter equals to 5 unit. You see 1 centimeter giving represent the 5 unit. Here one product written at the distance of 1 centimeter, and here is 5 unit is written at a distance of 1 centimeter. Okay, now start bar graph. Watch is 20, so watches is 20 is here, so you draw the portion like this way. Okay, microphone is 30 units. Remember that the graph is always the same size. Okay, television 15 units, and mobile is 35 units. This is your bar graph. Okay, draw. Okay, now question 7 number. The ages in years of 40 teachers in a school are listed here, that is 27, 35, 26, 33, all the numbers are given here. Okay, so the question is that you make a frequency distribution table using class interval of 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60 and goes on. So you see the highest number, I think 57 is given here. For now 62. Okay, so the class interval, then tally mark, then frequency again. So begin from 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, now start again. We know that this is 20 to 29, this is 30 to 39, this is 40 to 49. Begin 50 from here. Okay, so first one is 27, 35, 26, 33, 24, 43, 34, 20, 47, 56, 42, 49, 57, 34, 54, 29, bunch of 5, 39, bunch of 5, 50, 50 is here. Okay, this line is up to 49, 50 begin from here. 21, 37, 58, 30, 30 is here, because this is up 29, 28, 26, 20, 34, 33, 27, 41, 59, 47, 62, 52, 29, 30, 25, 37, 29, 44, 22. Okay, so now start counting. 5, 5, 10, 4, 14, 5, 5, 10, 1, 11, 5 to 7, 5 to 7, there is 1. Okay, so 14, 11, 25, 25, 7, 32, 39, that is 40. You see 40 teachers. Okay, now the question is, which class interval do most of the teachers belong? Which class of interval most teachers belong? In which interval the mostly teachers are there? So this is the first interval. So answer for question number 2, because one number that draw the tally mark. Okay, frequency. Number 2, which class interval most of the teachers belong? Mostly teachers belong from 20 to 30. Okay, how many teachers are less than 40 year age? How many teachers are less than 40 year age? This is the age of 20 to 30, that means 14 teachers, and this is the age group of 30 to 39, because 40 begins from here. So how many teachers are less than 40 years? So this group, because this is up to 30, 29, and this is up to 39, so these two groups are less than 40 years, because 40 years began from here. So 14 plus 11, that means 25 teachers are less than 40 years. Okay, note.